A historic visit by the Philani Maswati charity organization, with 2 students receiving wheelchairs to enable their seamless movement, and a gift of clothing, with the school receiving 40 banana trees as donation. Lufo Dlamini remarks on behalf of the
Sine bekunene sisuka enhlanganweni yamake wesizwe yamhlekazi lo wasithuma ukuthi sinakekele bantu labadzala nebantfu labaswele indlovukazi. So sivile lokuthi kunanalijala kithi inkosi yami lelide ngokuhamba situlo nganzi siyambona nje umntwana esikole lokhuthele futhi lonelikusasa lelihle. Saseke sithi sitayitfola i-wheelchair ngoba sinawo ama-wheelchairs sibanhlanhla sinebudlelwane nebakaLuke Commission sisebenza nabo ukuthola ama-wheelchairs. Basitshela ke ukuthi nalamvakali seyigugile le yakhe inkosi yami asiyiphathe nayo. So egameni lendlovukazi bantu bami gogo lonithandzako uthite asinilethele nama-wheelchairs enu ukuthi nani niphile njengathi sonke. Nineke nisafunza lama-wheelchairs enu nasenikhulile ndamtshela philana niphinze nje nihambe nge-wheelchair enzala ngoba indlovukazi ithi sale senithatha nibe bantwana bayo sininake ukuthi niphatheke kahle. Sivile ukuthi unena ubhalile ka standard 5 ukuthi man grade 7 sike hamba kuphasa ke mnganami waphasa umtsinze ephilane awunayiswela i-laptop ka form 1 sitakulethela yona ngcono kunala labanye ube ne-laptop ngoba wena ngumntwana wethu kaphilane nawe dzadze wethu utasitshela ukuthi uswele ini sitawubuya sitobonga kakhulu sesibona ukuthi lembala uphase kahle. Lokunye sine program yokuthi la etikolweni asikhuthade lokuthi kube nalama-fruit trees bantwana bantu uthola ema-fruit badle ngoba ngete bakhona bonke kuwathenga. So we are donating namhla tihlahla ta banana letting 2 sitawubuya thishela silet's about 40.
The Member of Parliament, Magesi Dlamini, present at the event, applauded both donations, describing them as investment in human development and future livelihood.
And kuyaye kulethe lithemba nakubo labantwana uma ngabe banakalelekile ngale ndlela. So nyalo kulesinye isikhathi nabahamba labanye bona bangaphiwa ngaphamba ngalokufanele bativela kungazuthi abakakhululeki. Kodwa nje uma sekuchamuka info le kanje ngale banakelelekile siyabonga kakhulu umbale Nkosi. Nathi siyabona lokuthi nakusasa mlangeni lomuhle njengoba sosihlolile bona anigcini inkosi sitawujika ngalenye ilanga sibe sibambisane ngoba nathi singilabahlonisho nje benzawo uyaye kulesinye isikhathi ukhanze ukuthi tibatinenge letinto umntwana Nkosi letinye tibe ngetulu kwethu ubone ukuthi yathi nyalo akusakhona kali. Siyabonga nje Nkosi ukuthi kuvela kwakho mlangeni sesitawukhona hlubo ekunene sibambisane nesibulele amabhodlela emakhosini. Siyabonga kakhulu siphakamisa emandla lathi bayethe wena waphakathi.
The head teacher of the beneficial school expressed profound gratitude. She stated that the wheelchairs will allow learners with mobility issues to participate more fully in school activities, reducing barriers and helping create a more inclusive learning environment. She also appealed for continued support to ensure all students receive the care and resources they need.
Sibonga lokuthi namuhla sesitholeke manje lokungcono kakhulu sisikolwa sithi nje uNkulunkulu akaqhubeke la nithola khona nihleni inkonkotha khona banizama khona akanyanandisele qhubeke anelulele nempilo impilo ibe yinde. Nisibongele kakhulu nakubantu labadala belizwe labathe basikhumbula nathi singimashobeni la etulete intabeni khashane nemadolobha kodwa nje nathi wasilocate.
A community representative described the gesture as life-changing, noting that the wheelchairs will restore independence, dignity, and easy access to education, healthcare, and daily activities. They called on more organizations to support disability-friendly initiatives.
Siyakibongela nathi namuhla uvakashela abantu labadala siyibulala tandla kumhlekazi ukusikhumbula nasemashobeni. Siyethembisa ukuthi leti moto talabantu bethu titawugcineka kahle. Futhi isikolo sethu sinayo lendlela ethi bangene kahle baphinde baphume kahle. Isikolo sakulungisa lokho. Siyabonga kakhulu siba semashobeni South. Sithi nje Nkosi Ndlovukazi.
Today's combined donations mark a significant step forward building an inclusive and agriculturally skilled community. Reporting for Africa First TV, this is Desos Melani.